This is the 66 Fit Elite Lumbar Roll Cushion. The actual roll itself is designed to sit in the small of your back and provide support to your lumbar region, make you sit up correctly and have correct postural alignment when sitting in an office chair or sitting at home or sitting in your car. To put on, it's really easy. Basically, just pass it around the back of the chair, buckle it up. If you need to pull it a little bit tighter, you can do. Now, everybody comes in different shapes and sizes. Some people are taller than others, some people are shorter. So the information I've given you is guidelines. It may need to be higher up, it may need to be lower down. Depends upon where the small of your back is and where you're experiencing discomfort. It's designed to aid with any discomfort and also to prevent any future discomfort, which is what I say about putting you in correct postural position. When you've got it strapped onto the chair like that, sit down on the chair. If you need to do any final adjustments to make sure that it's in the small of your back, you can do. As you can see, by putting it in the small of my back, it instantly puts me in a nice upright position and makes sure that I'm not slouching forwards like you would tend to do sitting in a chair like this.